sunlight morning, early breeze, lovers daylight opening, windows whispering our names inside this first light.
I'm just really excited. I'm so excited to see Jake. I miss him already.
Red September, silver dawn.
Hi, I'm Megan's favorite sibling. When I was a little girl, we had either mother or father at home because Megan was always at Riley. But we have so many things in common as we got older. Clothes, movies, food. That's until I met Jake. But their love for each other has made them into even better people.
Like one, love won't lead us apart. We've come too far, and right now the sun is ours.
Having Jake as a little brother who's 10 years younger than me, I loved it. If you ask me, our childhood was great. I won at everything. While it is true, as my best friend, I've always been his biggest fan, rooting for him to win in all those moments. What I didn't know looking back in that small moment, having a few drinks on the beach with my brother, having the bro talk, was that Jake was on the verge of the biggest win of his life. So congratulations, Jake, on your first win. And Megan, just because you're my sister now, don't expect me to let you win at anything from here on.
This ring I give you as a token and pledge of my unending faith and love.
This ring I give you as a token and pledge of our unending faith and love.
Now, with the authority vested in me by the Wesleyan Church in the state of Indiana, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss your bride.